Hey, mail call. This came in on Saturday. Today, Sunday, a little bit late, but let's open it up. It's from a pen pal friend of mine, and I just don't want to tear the inside of it because I have a letter in there, and I want to share with you what she sent me. And a special thank you to Jean for sending me this cool pen. All right, here we go. And I will be doing a review on it soon. So, talking about it. Here is this pen. And I'm looking at the pen. Too much light, the glare is reflecting. Maybe you can see that better than I can.
Oh, on the clip?
Yeah.
Schaefer.
Okay, this is a really awesome pen. It's a Schaefer pen. And to be honest with you, first time I've seen one like this, but I have all the information about it that I'll share with you on my upcoming review. And thank you, Gene. Appreciate it.
I like that red plug at the top.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, that kind of makes it more interesting, that red plug right there. But I do like the pull-off clip with the the blue grip-on section. You know, it kind of reminds me of a Lumby, but not close. It keeps your fingers up in place, but I'll talk about it more at the upcoming review. And I'll have probably some ink in it and tell you about it and check it out, how it writes. And this is really an interesting fountain pen, to say the least. Folks, that'll do it for today. Be cool like your school. Hey, be kind to someone out there. A complete stranger, show some love, respect, some kindness. Why not? Right? Peace, love, and as always, don't text and don't drive. Bye-bye. Hey folks, mail call today, and guess what? Mr. Announcer's making fun of me. Yes, he is. La 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 la. Poor little innocent me. Huh? Mr. Announcer, would you like to announce why you're making fun of me?
Yes, because you have no understanding of the word logic.
Oh, I see. Thank you very much. Oh, I guess I'm just an imbecile. Now he gets quiet. Okay. All right. On with the show. This is it. Mail call. Are you ready, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Very good. All right. Well, here we go. In this here envelope, it's really something that's totally cool. And it's from Block B. So a special thank you to Chris from Block B. Thank you for sending me out this newest lineup in their journal artillery. Here we go. And here we go. So I've already gave it away, right? You know it's Block B, but what you don't know, which Block B is it? And I'll be doing the full review on this, and we're going to focus a good bit of time talking about this. So that's what Chris sent me, and I really appreciate it, Mr. Chris. Thank you. The new planner that has come out for Lockbee, plus the new Lockbee journal. Totally different colors. There are 2 new colors that came out. This is one of them, okay? So, we're going to be talking about this one.
Is that a journal with pages or just a cover?
This is just the cover. Here's the planner that's in there, plus I have some other notebooks that are going to go in there that are from Lot B as well. So, by the time we get through with this, when I do it, a review on this, I can show everybody from step 1 and how this is going to all come together. And there's so much you can do nowadays when you have a journal, whatever journal you may decide to choose. In my opinion, this has been one of the most detailed journal that's been put together. It did a lot of thinking, the planners, to plan and design this journal, and of course the notebooks, the do's, the don'ts, the can'ts, the whys, the yeses, the nos. I'm sure there's been a lot of drawings done for this. So a lot of work has gone out, and this is the field journal in Navy. Folks, until then, be safe and be kind to someone. God bless. Have a great, great day. Peace and love to each and every one of you. And as always, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.